Let's start. Today we will see how to implement an unordered list in the HTML. In the body tag, we have written the UL tag. UL stands for unordered list. Inside the UL tag, we have written some LI tags. LI stands for list items. Let's run this code in the browser. By default, the unordered list items are preceded by a dark-filled circle marker, also called as the disk. There are 4 marker types: disk, which is the default marker type, circle, square, and none. This is how we can define the marker type. This is the circle type. This is a square type. And this is none type, which does not add any marker before the list items. So that's it. That's how you can implement an unordered list in the HTML. Thank you.